Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Zai at Zai's Crafting Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to be making DTF shirts. So I'm using DTF transfers. I do not own a DTF printer, but I do get my prints printed from Jiffy.com. You can also use Ninja Transfers, Etsy. I choose to typically just go with Jiffy because they have the quickest turnaround time and it's pretty affordable. And although I don't have my own printer, I do hope to one day have one. So if you have any advice as far as like DTF printers and all of the equipment and stuff, please drop that down in the comment section. I have all of my designs cut. So we have this Mama Pick Crew one. This is 11 inches in width. And then I have this Hot Wheels birthday boy design that I created. I created this using Canva. I think this is 8x6. And then I have the child's name, Caden, and age on the back. I got this baseball shirt right here in a size 5. I got this off of Amazon. I'll go ahead and drop that link in the description box for y'all. Then I got the adult version as well off of Amazon, and this is a 2X. Both of these are great quality. Everything I'm using in this video besides the DTF transfers will be linked down in my description box in my Amazon storefront. I already have my heat press preheated. It's at 350. I'm going to start with the 5T first. To get that middle mark, I just like to fold my shirt in half, make sure everything is touching. So here under the arm and then at the top, that's going to give me my center mark. Press that for about 10-15 seconds. Now we should have that middle line mark like so. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera. Yeah, this mark right here. You should have that. And then I'm just going to measure down about 2.5 inches, maybe 3. And then I'm going to fold my DTF transfer in half as well, lining up the flags because that's centered. I'm going to crease that like so. Now we have our center of our design, and I can just place this at 3 inches. I'm going to place the top of the flag at 3 inches, matching up both of those center lines. Press that for about 30 seconds. So you don't really need my heating instructions too much, as it varies depending on where you're getting your design from. You're going to let it cool for about 15 seconds or so. When it's not hot to the touch, it's ready to be peeled. And it should peel right off. Ideally, you would want to move this off of your press. A heating pad is still hot, so it's keeping that transfer hot. But as you can see, no weeding. But we're not done yet, so keep watching. I'm going to flip this shirt over. We still have our middle line on the back there. And now I'm just going to match up the edge of these letters to get the center mark on this number 6. I just kind of eyeballed that one there, but I am going to make sure it's straight, lining up those center marks. Now we can press for 30 seconds. All right, we're going to let that cool for about 10 to 15 seconds. Once it's cool to the touch, we're going to peel just like we did on the front. So we can peel that and it should come right off. Just like that. Simple and easy. Take some parchment paper. As you can see, mine has been used quite a bit. And just press on that one more time to seal everything in for about 15 to 30 seconds. I'm just going to run it for another 30. You're going to do the same thing to the front once the back is finished. The back is done. Now let's flip it and do the front. Same exact thing. Parchment paper. Press again for another 15 to 30 seconds. And now your shirt is done. All right, y'all. And that's literally all it is to it. It literally takes you a couple minutes to make a shirt. No weeding, no cutting vinyl, none of that. Especially, like I said, if you are ordering your transfers from somewhere else. That is what the front looks like. And that's the back. And I love DTF because you don't have to do no layering. You don't have to worry about your shirt material like you do with sublimation. I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. Let me know what kind of videos you would like to see in the future. If you want to follow me on TikTok, that's down in the description box as well. Make sure you catch up on all my other videos. If you made it to the end of this video, drop a shirt emoji. And don't tell nobody what you dropped it for. Anyway, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.